right, so we got a cool product here. This is Top Right. This is their finger arithmetic game. Look at that. Doesn't that look pretty cool? This is all about learning. We're going to have tons of fun with regards to it. So in here you have one of the boards. You have all the cards to go along with it. And this is supposed to help with learning for kids. Don't you want to learn a little bit? I heard you know your ABCs. Don't you know those?
Oh, yeah.
Look at these little fingers. These are pretty cool. So this is pretty neat right here. Not going to lie. So there are these little wooden blocks. And what it allows is to put out the little wooden blocks for them to be able to count. So it's like 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, or various things. So when you're on here, you can go on and put a block here, and you could flip over and do that. And then we have a plus or minus in the middle. Watch out, let me show this. Let me get this over here. So you put a block right here, so put a 1, and then we can put a 2 right here. You put a plus in the middle, and we're trying to figure out what it is. So we're going to leave one finger up, okay? So we're going to leave one finger up, so you're going to put a finger down, finger down, finger down, finger down, right? And then we need 2 fingers on this one. So how many fingers do you have up, Bob? No, just look at it. How many fingers are up?
Count.
Look at the fingers. 3.
So 1 plus 2.
1 plus 2 equals 3. That is super cool. Like, I think this is going to be really great when it comes to teaching overall. What's also cool is they have these little cards here that you're able to use. So go ahead and gives you this predisposition math. So kids can set up and do it on their own, which makes it nice and easy. And these are Velcro, so you're not going to ruin them. They're just going to pop right back up. And you can see 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, and they have all these different tiles going with different numbers. This is a pretty cool little product, and I am super excited to be able to have my kids learn. And counting with their fingers is the first step to making it happen. What do you think, dude? Good?
Let's just try it out.
All right, well, we're going to sit here and try it out. So what should we tell the folks that are watching?
Check it out.
Check it out.